Hello children, welcome to Narayana Digital Classes. Today I am going to discuss assignment number 15 of topic atomic structure class 8th. And this is the first question. Which of the following is a least frequency of electromagnetic radiation? Generally electromagnetic radiation. So here white light considers 7 colors which are after red, infrared and microwaves and the TV waves and radio waves, and before we ultraviolet, X-rays and gamma rays and cosmic rays. Only set of these rays are called electromagnetic radiation or electromagnetic rays. So here from cosmic rays to radio waves, velocity, that means wavelength is increases and the frequency is decreases. So here the least frequency of electromagnetic radiation. From cosmic rays to radio waves, which one has least frequency? Radio waves. Radio waves has least frequency. So which option is correct? Third option is correct. And next we'll move to second question. X-rays are. So X-rays are light waves with a smaller wavelength. X-rays are light wave with a smaller wavelength. So which option is correct? Third option is correct. And next coming to third question, the frequency of wave. The frequency nu is given is 6 into 10 to the power of 15, 10 to the power of 15 right. Its wave number, nu bar we are going to find. So nu is equal to C by lambda, nu is equal to C into nu bar, because nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda, nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. So here we want what nu bar. So nu bar is equal to nu by C. Nu bar is equal to nu by C. So substitute the values. What is nu here? And in given option centimeters. So we should take a velocity of light in centimeters. So what is velocity of light in centimeters? C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 10 centimeters per second. So what is frequency here? 6 into 10 to the power of 15 by what is C? 3 into 10 to the power of 10. So 3 ones, 3 twos. And 5. So how much? 2 into 10 to the power of 5 centimeter inverse. 2 into 10 to the power of 5 centimeter inverse. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. Next, which of the following is correct? So we already know nu is equal to C by lambda. So cross multiplication, C is equal to nu lambda, and again cross multiplication, lambda is equal to C by nu. So all these are interconversions. So all these are correct. So this is correct and this is correct and this is correct. So finally which option is correct? All of these is correct. And next which of the following is correct value of frequency with wavelength 480 nanometers. So here what we should find? Frequency nu we should find. Here we should find nu. So what is the value he gave? Lambda. Lambda is equal to 480 nanometers. So I am converting this into meters. So 480 into 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. So 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. So what is the relation? So what we should find nu? Nu is equal to c by lambda. Nu is equal to c by lambda. So here I am taking c is in terms of meters means 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, and lambda is 480 into 10 to the power of minus 9, 480 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So for simplifying this, once here 7, so 3 by 48 and all those, we will get 0.00625 into 625 into 10 to the power of when we get sub, this means this is 16, 10 to the power of 16, so 7 means 17, right. So 6.25 into, that means 1, 2, 3, so into 10 to the power of 14 second inverse. So which option is correct? Which option is correct? The second option is correct. And next, the last question is, which of the following is least wavelength of electromagnetic radiation in a electromagnetic spectra? Least wavelength means the highest frequency is cosmic. So cosmic rays has the least frequency. So which of the following is least wavelength of electromagnetic means cosmic rays. So which option is correct? The first option is correct. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.